Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be very summer inspiring, very pineapple-esque, very beachy. I don't know, I'm just getting like very hot summer girl vibes. Hot pregnant girl vibes with this makeup look. So tons of you were tagging me on a post from Profusion. If you guys don't know who Profusion is, they are an extremely affordable drugstore brand. I have reviewed a few of their palettes and I own a few of their palettes. Totally love them. And I saw that you guys were tagging me on this specific palette, which is the Gold Rush. I don't know if this is like new or if it's been out, but I don't remember seeing it at my local Walmart. So when you guys tagged me and you said that you wanted me to review it and do a look, you guys know that I had to spoil you, so I ran to my local Walmart and luckily I found it. I also picked up this Topaz Gents 5-shade glitter palettes because I've been wanting to, like I've been eyeing these for so long and I've never bought them. And I also picked up these new Bright Lights UV Neon Eyeliners. I picked up this bright orange and this blue. Unfortunately, I couldn't use them in today's video, but I will definitely be playing with them in the upcoming videos, maybe either Wednesday or Friday. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any videos because we post tons of drugstore videos, content, looks, tutorials, everything. So yeah, today I am excited to show you guys how this palette works. This is the first time that I've tried it, and I mean, you guys can see by the look on my eyes that this palette is pretty bomb. It is under $10, so you cannot go wrong with purchasing this palette. It also contains one glitter at the very top, which is the one that I have on the lids. I hope you guys recreate it, and with that said, grab your palette, grab your brushes, grab a sip, and let's go ahead and get glam together. To save some time, I went ahead and just primed the lids off camera. I just used my concealer, the Aqua Assurance by JCat. You guys know that those are one of my absolute favorite concealers. So let's dig into this palette because, oh my god, it is just so stunning. So this is what it looks like. Profusion Gold Rush. I don't know how new this is, but I saw that tons of you were tagging me on the post from Profusion, and I went into my local Walmart and found it. So we're going to play around with some colors. I don't want to create anything too crazy, so I am going to use the brush that comes in the palette, and we're going to start off with the shade Brown Sugar, which is probably one of the deepest shade in the palette. These brushes are actually pretty good, you guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, wow, there's already so much pigment. I'm going to start on the outer edge of the eye. And I'm going to make sure that I keep this pretty low. And then I am going to dust off the excess powder. And I'm going to go in with the shade Boost, which is right next to it. And again, using that same brush, I just cleaned it off in my little Bareminerals color switch. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of that. I'm going to see, yeah, that's a really pretty color. And I'm going to use that to help me blend the shadow that we just laid down. I'm quickly going to switch to a smaller brush like this. This is by Luxie 227, and then I'm just going to buff the edges. I'm also going to dip into the shade Camel, which is a really light brown, and that's what I'm going to use to help me just further diffuse like all the shades that I just laid down. Once you have that blended, we're going to go back with our concealer, and that's pretty much it for the eyes. I mean, as far as like the colors in the crease goes, I am going to start just cutting my crease, doing a half cut crease. I'm going to speed this up because I'm sure you guys have seen me do it a million plus one times. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just cut the crease. Okay, now that the crease is nice and cut, we're going to go back and pick up a flat brush. I'm going to use this one, but I need to clean it because it is DIR2I. I am going to go in with the loudest yellow in the whole palette, which is Busy Bee, and it is this one. I think I'm going to do another eyeshadow look with just like an all matte yellow look. I think that would be so bomb, but for now we're just going to do this. And I'm going to pack that on. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that for a second. I'm going to go back with Brown Sugar, and then I'm going to go in with Boost and then Camel, just to diffuse the outer edges. And then where you see that space, we're going to add glitter. Okay, now the question is, do I want to use the glitter that comes in the palette, which is this one, Goddess, or do I want to use the Topaz Gems little glitter quad? Look at how stunning these are. I don't know. I think decisions. You know what? We're going to save this palette for another occasion, and I'm just going to use this entire palette just so we can get the vibe. So let me find a little small brush. I'm going to take my J-Cat glitter glue. I'm going to squirt out a little bit. I'm going to take a flat little brush like this. This is by Inglot. And what I'm going to do is I am just going to trace a line following this line right here. And then I'm going to dig into that glitter. Ooh, which is a Goddess. That is so pretty. I've never played with these glitters. I don't think I have. Maybe I have. And then I'm just going to press it onto the lid. Ooh, that is so stunning, you guys. Oh my god, that glitter is actually really pretty. Okay, I'm just going to repeat the next step on this eye. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. For lashes today, I'm going to use the Lash Couture Luxtensions collection. These are the Cashmere lashes by the brand Kiss. And here you have it, you guys. This is the look that I tried to create using the Profusion Gold Rush palettes. Honestly, I am just like blown away. Not only the pigmentation, but just the quality of the eyeshadows. The quality of the glitter is what literally had me shook to my core. So I absolutely recommend this palette. Obviously, I didn't try every single shade, but I can tell you that this palette is bomb, and for the price, you can't go wrong. Let me check. So this palette was $9.98, so right under $10, right under the belt. I love it. I think this is such a beautiful summer appropriate palette. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Makeup Monday. As always, if you recreate any of my looks, please send me your recreations to my Instagram. And yeah, I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.